For problem 26, it's giving you one endpoint of a circle, the center, and they're asking you to find the other endpoint. Given that the center is the midpoint, you can simply figure out the pattern. So, for example, we start here at 4, and to get to 2, we go down 2. So if we continue that pattern and subtracted another 2, we'd be at 0. Looking at the y term, we start at -2, and we go down 1 to get to -3, go down another 1 to get to -4. For problem 27, you need to identify the equation for a circle, and the equation of a circle is x minus h squared plus y minus k squared equals r squared, where the center is h comma k and the radius is r. So given the center of 2, 3, we know our center has to be at x minus 2 quantity squared plus y minus 3 quantity squared. So that eliminates answers D and E. So the next thing we need to identify is the radius. If we use the distance formula between letter A and letter C, we subtract the x's, we subtract the y's, we square each of them, and then take the square root of that sum. We get a radius of 5. So we take that 5 squared to get 25, and that gives us answer B. For problem 28, we can start by foiling those binomials. So ax times 3x gives us 3ax squared, and so forth. But once I have that first term, I have that 3ax squared, we know that that has to equal 6x squared, or simply 3a equals 6. And when I divide both sides by 3, I get a equals 2. So simply multiplying those out and comparing them gets us that a value. For 29, we are looking for a line that is parallel to y equals 2/3 x minus 2. Well, if it is parallel to that, that means it has the same slope. And the slope of this line is 2/3. So that would be my starting point. And we also know that it goes through the point 0, 6. If you know point slope form, it's y minus the y value equals the slope x minus the x value. So by putting 6 in for y1, 0 in for x1, and 2/3 in for the slope, I then go ahead and distribute the 2/3 and add the 6 over, and that gets me my slope-intercept form, which is letter B. And finally, looking at number 30, all we're doing is setting up a proportion for this one. We have a 240 centimeter skis are recommended for a skier 200 centimeters. So I have the length of the skis on top over the height of the skier on the bottom. And when we're looking for how long the ski should be, that's why we're calling that x on top and the height of the skier on the bottom. And that's how you always want to compare it. You have the ski length on top, ski length on top, height of the skier on the bottom, height of the skier on the bottom, and cross multiplying and dividing we get 180, letter H.